Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.8-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the seat adjuster, driver 6-way power seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, air conditioning, single-zone manual front climate control, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing speed-flex fuel, emissions override, federal, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Wheels, 417 inches x 7.5 inches, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, 6-lug chrome-styled steel, audio system, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player, trailering package, heavy duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.